A new school year is here and rolling. Amazon's Angie Newman shared ways parents can get deals on what's trending for the year ahead.
Some people even got started with their back-to-school shopping during Prime Day to really pick up some great savings in those deals. But don't worry if you missed out on that. We've got everything you need at our Happy School Year storefront. Just go to amazon.com/Happy School Year, and it's a one-stop shop for everything that you're going to need for back to school this year.
All right, now what are some of the top trends we need to be looking for when our kids are heading back to school? I mean, I have a 5-year-old and a 10-year-old, so I know that 10-year-old is starting to get into the zone where he's got to be cool, right?
Absolutely, and he is definitely going to find something on Amazon that he likes. Personalization is huge. I'm sure you're seeing that with your 10-year-old. So these statement backpacks are going to be everywhere. Really, whatever resonates with them as an individual. So we've got flamingos, dinosaurs, even avocados, whatever makes them feel most comfortable. Also, you're going to see color everywhere. Long gone are those yellow pencils and those black notebooks. You're going to see bright greens, purple pencil cases, even dinosaurs on the top of pencils, flamingos, again, leaflets, like anything that makes them feel like they're more of an individual. Also, you're going to see holographic everything. So the holographic stripes on these Adidas shoes, holographic pencil cases. Also, unicorns are back. So unicorns are going to be huge. You're going to see them all through the hallways of your schools, notebooks, pencil cases, even, stuff like lunch kits. And then you talked about personalization. We're going to continue to hammer home on that as far as trends go. These statement t-shirts and clothing are really what kids are going to be into. So a lot of the girl power t-shirts and good vibes only, you're going to see that on kids' clothes this year.
What devices can I use as a parent to help prepare for back to school this summer?
Well, I don't go anywhere without my Fire 7 Kids Edition tablet here. It's the #1 best-selling tablet in the U.S. for a very good reason. On those summer vacation and long road trips, it keeps my daughter busy with all of her movies from Prime Video and her music from Amazon Music. But it also makes me happy because it's got educational games and things that she can play with to keep her mind sharp all summer long. Also, if you have a teenager in the house, these all new Kindle devices are going to be great. We get a long reading list at the beginning of the year in my household, and it's a lot of books to be lugging around on those summer vacations. This way, you can just download all of those books at the beginning of the summer, and you have them with you for the entire duration and everywhere that you want to go. The last thing I'll talk about is this Echo Dot Kids Edition device. And it's colorful, it's bright, it's what kids want to see. It also has parental controls, so the parents feel safe having it in their kids' room. It's got content for kids, so kids love it. Podcasts and their music, so they can be listening to Baby Shark for the 700th time in their room, and they save you the suffer and misery of that song.
Just got Baby Shark out of my head. Thanks for putting it back. No, those are some great ways to catch some good deals there from Amazon.